Hey y'all, the devil filed a lawsuit, heaven or hell, your choice. That's the series we're discussing right now. And today's topic is your options. We're going to do an introduction to the options available to you to resolve that lawsuit the devil has filed on you. All right, once a lawsuit is filed and properly served on you, you still have options available to resolve. Obviously, you've kind of gone through this process. Number one, the original creditor has demanded payment you weren't able to pay. The original creditor sent it, became the devil and sent it to his hellhounds, the collection agency, and they've hounded you to death to try to get you to pay, but you didn't have the money to pay. Then the hellhounds weren't successful, so the devil sent it to his favorite son, the collection lawyer, who has sent you a letter, said pay up, and you say I don't have the money, and then they've called you and you don't have the money. Now they have filed a lawsuit on you and served it on you. I wonder, have you magically come up with the money now? Chances are you haven't. But anyway, in the post to come, we're going to discuss each available option to resolve this lawsuit in depth. However, since the series is an introduction, today we're just going to go, kind of breeze over it. And then we'll follow up with those additional posts. Okay, so the first option would be pay what the creditor demands or negotiate it down and just pay them. But then the question is, where's the money going to come from? And there's really only two options. Number one, you've got the money socked away somewhere and you can pay it. And number two is going to be from borrowed funds. That's kind of a crazy deal. So you get a loan from a bank, a person, a loan shark, credit card. You might also do a home equity loan against the equity in your home. You might cash out or borrow against your retirement plan or 401k or IRA. You might get somebody, a friend, a family member, or a relative to co-sign with you at the bank to get a loan. In my estimation, each one of these options are terrible for many reasons. All right, then to negotiate it down for a lesser amount and pay them, if you can get the creditor to come down, maybe you could do that. Also, you might consider an agreed judgment where you say, yeah, this is how much I owe. And in that judgment, it says I've got to pay a couple of $100s a month for the rest of my life or for however long until the judgment's paid off. And if you fail to make a payment, then they can garnish you. Okay, then the next thing is just to do nothing. You can stick your head in the sand and ignore the problem, hoping it'll go away, but allowing it to get bigger and have more potentiality to hurt you. This really is procrastination. Terrible thing. Next, you could defend the lawsuit. In other words, fight the devil in court. You could hire an attorney or you could proceed on your own. Of course, you got to file an answer, go to court, and then present your case if you don't think you legally owe the money. Or you could put a stop to the entire thing and consider your bankruptcy option of gaining forgiveness of that debt and stopping the lawsuit from going forward at all. So in our next post, we'll talk about doing nothing or procrastination and whether that's a good idea. Now, in the meantime, if you would like to talk about resolving the situation, feel free to give us a call for a free, no obligation consultation. And if you'd like a copy of our book, The Devil Filed a Lawsuit, Heaven or Hell, Your Choice, be sure and give our office a call or go online. And we'll be sure and hook you up. Either way, we look forward to seeing you in our next video. I hope that God's blessings shine upon you. And until next time, y'all have a great day.